Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete old comments that you've made on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can view and delete comments you've made on other people's Instagram posts from your activity. You can tap on your profile, tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here, tap on your activity, tap on comments, now you can choose the comment that you want to delete. If you delete a comment you've written on an Instagram reel that was shared to Facebook, it will be removed from both apps. So, as example, I will choose this comment. You can tap on the comment and tap and hold on the comment, and you can see there's an option to delete the comment. Tap on that. Now the comment is disappeared from the post. You can choose the other comment like this. You can select the comment, or you can delete the comment by tap on the select on the upper right corner over here. You can choose the comment and tap on delete. You can read. There's note. Some comments appear on Facebook because the original reel was shared there. When you delete these comments, they are removed from both apps. So you can delete, tap on delete, tap on delete. Now the comment has disappeared from the post. So that is how to delete old comment you've made on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!